One of the biggest benefits of ClickDimensions being native to your CRM system is the ability to use the data from your CRM system in order to personalize your communications and segment out your lists. So there are a lot of ways that you can personalize and segment within ClickDimensions and Dynamics. One of the first ways is through a marketing list. Marketing lists are just a great way to say, hey, these are a list of people that I'd like to send this communication to. Tons of different ways you can build a marketing list. You can just add, hey, I want this person, and this person. You can add people based on their different interactions. You can also add them with more of an advanced find feel. So, hey, I want maybe contacts that live in this region with this relationship type or this persona. So maybe this job title. This is a great way to be able to say, hey, this is exactly the target audience that I would like to send a communication to. Now, once again, these marketing lists will just be here for you to recycle and reuse whenever you'd like. So there are several other ways that you can segment and personalize the data that you're sending. And you can also do that within the email template itself. So maybe you just want to send out an email. The list could or could not be segmented, completely up to you. But a lot of personalization and segmentation can be done in the template. So one of the first ways is to use data from your CRM system in order to personalize the fields that appear in an email. So I can actually pull in any field that is in the contact, lead, account, or owner entity. So these can also be customized fields as well. A very common example is something like a first name. So if I want to write dear first name, or maybe I'm sending this email and I want a little dynamic signature here based on someone's record owner. So I can pull in the record owner's first name, record owner's email address, something like that. Maybe I want to pull in their birthday. So I can say you have an upcoming birthday on, it's really any of those fields that are on the contact, lead, account, or owner entity. So great way to use that. Now you can also segment what someone sees in an email based on criteria you set using our dynamic content blocks. So let's say I want to send out this email and I don't want to create a bunch of different versions of this email based on separate criteria. I can actually duplicate my email section blocks to make it really easy. So maybe I want to type up, something different here that might be different for that persona or whatever segmentation I'm pulling, or by language. So from there, I can go in and I can add conditions to each of these blocks. So I could say, okay, if their relationship type equals customer, they get this block. Now you can set as many conditions as you'd like in here as well. So maybe I also want, okay, they have to be in the UK and listed as a customer. It's very advanced find, like where I can group and group or. Perfect, easy. And once again, that's anything that you're holding on the lead or the contact here. So perfect, got my content block set up for that one. And then I could come down here and do the same thing. So maybe I just want everyone whose relationship type equals prospect or something like that. This is a great way to build out one single email template, but have it dynamically change based on who's opening this email. Once again, just a great way to leverage the data inside of your CRM system in order to make sure you're sending the most personalized, segmented, targeted communications as possible.